Hello guys, welcome to our channel Techno Electro Geeks. Today we will talk about the Fnd E200 Plus, the Bluetooth speaker, high fidelity wireless speakers. Actually guys, this is very nice speakers with a good sound quality. Look at this Fnd Bluetooth 4.0 USB reader, play music, lithium battery. So guys, this is our speaker. Now we will unbox it. Guys, this is our speaker. Fendi looking very nice. Within this box we'll get this user manual, Fnd since 1993 E200 Plus user manual, or some warranty card. And now look at this guys. This is the aux cable. This is music cable, left right with 3.5 mm jack, and this is charger cable. Now look at this guys. Very nice finish. Back side, DC in, on off, aux and USB. Wall mount screws. This is Fnd E200 Plus 2.0 multimedia speakers. Output power 2.1. This is. Now guys, we'll connect this, and what is the sound of quality of this speakers? But man, looks amazing. These metal grills look very amazing and finishes. Now we'll this side, Bluetooth button, source button, next and volume up, previous button, volume down, play and pause. This is this kind of setup. Now we'll just on this. Now guys, we started the Bluetooth speaker. Look, this blue lights are blinking.
Now this is in pairing mode. That's why blue light is blinking. Now we'll connect this guys. After connected the speakers with phone, this light will stop blinking. It continues. Very nice speakers. And look at now. This light stopped blinking. It means
I'm connecting my device with the Bluetooth speaker, and guys, see, this stops the blinking, continues to glow, and this is their Fenda E200 plus connected. Now guys, I'm playing song. Just listen the sound quality of this.
Grips on your waist from way back when. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away. Even when I'm away on TOT, there's never much love.
Now the side panel of this: Bluetooth button, source button, play and pause button, previous and volume down button, next and volume up button. Here it is.
Taking a hold on me. Hearts alive, firestorms, but when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, we ignite our homes. And when they strike, we
This side is speakers, here is speakers, these two speakers and two bass reflectors. The sound quality is amazing. Now guys, this speaker was really very nice with a nice build quality, and the main thing in this is this metal grill in front side. It looks very elegant, and guys, these speakers are really cool with a crystal clear sound. The sound quality was really nice. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, the Techno Electro Geeks. Thank you very much.